In this video, I will show you how to create tabs on Hostinger website builder. To get started, go ahead and look for a code that you can copy to create tabs. Now go ahead and open Hostinger on another tab and log in into your account. Once you're signed into your account, head over into the websites list, scroll down and click on that edit website beside the website that you want to edit. Now once you're redirected into the website, go ahead and scroll down to the section where you want to add that and click on that add section button above that specific section where you want to add that and select add blank section. Now once this is added, go ahead and head over into the add element section, scroll down and look for that embed code tool. So drag that into your canvas to be able to embed your code into your website. Click on that enter code button above it and remove this existing code. Head back to the Value Tree Schools or the website where you have your code from. So we'll need to copy this from top to bottom. Now go ahead and head back into your Hostinger website. So head back into the Hostinger tab. And here you'll need to paste the code that you've got from the Value Tree Schools and click on that embed code button. Now you can resize this or move it around. And once you have finalized how it will look like for your website, you can go ahead and hit on that update website button, which you'll find at the top right of your screen. And that is how you can do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.